We are going to remove the mirror on this 2012 BMW 650i. This is the driver door. We are going to need the T35 or T30. I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. A bit T30, the angle and the drill. So you don't need to disassemble the door. Only you need to pop up these clips. So you grab. First you take it off the screw on here. I take it off already. And this time it was a Philip. It was right here. So I take it off this screw. Now I am ready to pop up this. This has clips on here. So you clear off this. Take it off the corner. And it is a screw here that I take already out. It has 3 screws. It is 1, 2, and 3. Get close. This is 1, 2, and here you got another one. 3. So this is the second and the third. I'm going to use my angle. Hold it. Somebody holding in the mirror so it doesn't fall, and watch out for the screw. I got it. So 3 screws. Now you got to take it off the, get close. Now you gotta take it off the connection. So the connection has 2 clips. I show you in a minute. Get that. One on the bottom, one on the top. You see, it has these 2 clips. One here and one here. You see it? Yeah. So 2 clips, and then the mirror comes off. Oh, that's another cable. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, it is this. All right. So here's how you take it off the mirror.